Day 7. Sleep consistency. How to make your routine stick for life. Consistency is the real sleep hack. Here is how to stay on track. Most people look for the secret gadgets or supplements, but the real magic is simply going to bed and waking up the same time every day. Not something you need willpower for. Sleep anchors, the foundation of lifelong routine. Sleep anchor is a fixed point in a day you commit to no matter what. The number one anchor equal to waking time. It is most powerful because it sets your body clock, regulates hormones, and influences everything else. How to use these anchors? Pick your waking time you can sustain 7 days a week. Allow your bedtime to float around that anchor as needed. Add secondary anchors. At 10 to 15 minutes, wind down ritual. Lights down time. No caffeine after certain hour. Screens off rule. Anchors create stability without rigidity. Habit stacking. Turn sleep behaviors into automatic pathways. Habit stacking removes the mental loading of remembering. Build a chain like this. After I do X, I always do Y. That leads to Z. Example, nighttime stack. After I wash dishes, I make my nighttime tea. After I make my tea, I dim the lights. After I dim the lights, I plug the phone across the room. After that, I start wind down ritual. This creates predictable sequence that cues your body for sleep. Travel proofing your routine. Travel doesn't have to wreck your sleep if you think in principles, not perfection. Key strategies. Keep your waking time as steady as possible in your new time zone. Bring portable sleep cues, eye mask, travel pillows, earplugs, relaxing scent. Do the wind down routine, even if shortened, so your brain receives similar signals. For time zone jumps, use light exposure intentionally. Morning light to shift early, evening light to shift later. Your system shouldn't collapse just because your environment changes. Weekend strategies. The 48-hour rule to avoid. Weekends are where routines die. Tools to stay consistent. Use flex window. Wake up within 60 to 90 minutes of weekday time. Plan late nights intentionally. If you are staying late, schedule extra morning light the next day. Keep wind down routine even if shortened. The goal isn't perfection, it's to minimize swings. Motivation and sustainability. How to make consistency feel natural. Instead of relying on discipline, use identity-based habits. I am someone who protects my sleep. Environmental design. Dim the lights automatically. Lay out sleeping tools. Keep wind down routines. Micro wins. Celebrate consistency, not hating bedtime perfection. Accountability. Track your waking time. Notice the energy increases. Share your goal with someone. When your sleep becomes part of your identity, not just a task, staying consistent feels natural.